In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage groups in Docusign Esignature. Managing groups is an essential task for any account administrator or business that uses Docusign for handling documents efficiently. Group management allows you to organize users into categories, assign permissions, and streamline oversight so everything runs smoothly. First, navigate to the Docusign website. Docusign is widely known for its electronic signature and agreement management tools, so chances are you're familiar with this step. Open your browser and head to the Docusign homepage. Once you're there, click on the login button located in the upper right corner. Enter your username or email along with your password, then click login. Make sure you sign in with an account that has admin permission so you can perform all the steps we're about to cover. After logging in successfully, you'll land on the Docusign home screen. This is your central hub to access all tools and features. Look for the admin link in the navigation bar and click on it. This section contains everything you need for managing users, permissions, and groups. Once you enter the admin area, locate the Groups option on the left-hand side. Clicking on this will open a list of all existing user groups within your Docusign account. Take a moment to review which group you want to manage or adjust. When you're ready, look for the Actions button. This menu allows you to create a new group, rename existing groups, add or remove users, and update permissions. If you're adding a new group, simply click Create Group and give it a clear, descriptive name. If you're editing an existing one, select the group and use the Actions menu to make adjustments. You can add team members, remove inactive users, or update the permission settings so that each person has the appropriate level of access. This helps maintain a secure environment while still keeping your workflow flexible and efficient. To take your group management even further, remember that Docusign also allows you to assign roles and customize permission profiles. This means you can fine-tune exactly what each group is able to view, edit, or send. These settings are especially helpful for larger teams where responsibilities vary. Using these tools helps support your internal workflow, keeps sensitive information protected, and ensures each user interacts with documents the right way. Always be sure to save any changes you make and give everything a quick review before you exit the admin section. With these steps, managing groups in Docusign Esignature becomes a simple and reliable part of your administrative routine. With regular use, you'll feel confident organizing teams, maintaining permissions, and improving your overall document management process. Thanks for watching and happy managing.